CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Triangles. Question number 1. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC equal AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? Given diagonal AC is the bisector of angles A and C. So angle BAC equal angle DAC. Angle BCA equal angle DCA. AC equal AC by common side. So by ASA congruence theorem, triangle BAC congruent to triangle DAC. So BA equal DA and CB equal CD. Question number 2. AB is a line segment. AX and BY are two equal line segments drawn on opposite sides of line AB such that AX parallel to BY. If AB and XY intersect each other at P, prove that triangle APX congruent to triangle BPY. AB and XY bisect each other. Given AX parallel to BY, the transversal AB intersects at A and B respectively. Angle BAX equal angle ABY by alternate angles theorem. Angle AXY equal angle BYX. Angle PAX equal angle PBY. Angle AXP equal angle BPY. That is AX equal BY. So by ASA congruence theorem, triangle APX congruent to triangle BPY. Question number 3. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Given L and M are parallel lines, P and Q are parallel lines. Angle 1 equal angle 4 and angle 2 equal angle 3 by alternate angles theorem. AC equal to AC by common side. So by ASA congruence theorem, triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Thank you.